is Oneil ASMR. We got a package today. Let's see what we got. It's like an ASMR unboxing video with mouth sounds. So make sure y'all smash that like and that subscribe notification bell. And leave a comment down below telling what y'all think. Alright, let's see what we got, guys. Let's see. I just had to make sure my address wasn't showing. Okay. Oh, this is nice. It's all decorated and stuff. That's fire. That's fire. The way they got it decorated. Let's see. Let's see what this is. Clarice. Let's see. I want to give a big shout out to them for letting me do this video. I appreciate you guys so much for letting me do this video. I appreciate you guys for sending me this sample. I'm trying to see what is. Oh, it's for your face. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're a person that wakes up in the morning and you like to put the little you like to put a certain cream on your face. This is good for that. Facial care. I get a lot of those, you know, so I use different ones. Let's see what's in here though. Let's see, guys, let's see. Got your little, what is this? It's probably, let's see. Oh, I know what that is. I think it's like a little stick they give you. Let's see right here. Well, now you off this. This is fire, bro. The way they got this. Shout out to them. That's how it looks, guys. And you take this right and you do like that. You do that, you put it on your face. Say, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna get this, probably my girlfriend try it. Let me see how, let's see what she thinks about it. It smells so good. Yeah, I can't see how my girlfriend's going. I think she gonna like this, cause I even like it. It smells so good. The way that they got it designed is fire. Clarence. Shout out to Clarence Paris. It come in like a box like this. That's so fire. And then it gave us some kind of code that I could scan. But it came like this. Yeah, guys, excuse my kids that's upstairs. I don't know what they're doing up there. Hopefully they're not too loud for you guys. I gotta smell this one time again. That smells good. like this right here. It's good, like for your husband to buy you this, or like, are you buying this for your girlfriend, or I think this will be a good deal. You know what I'm saying? Cause it smells so good. This is a good thing to buy your girlfriend. This right here, they will love it. It's like for your face and stuff. got this other stuff the other day, but I didn't do a video on this one. I got these too. It's for your face. It cleans your face and stuff, and you put this on your face. It's like some cream you put on your face or whatever. Let me make sure it's open. Let me see. Yeah, it's open. Yes, you don't need a lot. I got this. Just put it on your face, man. It cleans your face. So this is the brand right here, guys. It's this right here. That's what I use. Or you can use the oil. They have the oil too. Either one is pretty good. Rub it in. I probably just put too much, but it is what it is. Yeah, I probably put too much. It feels like lotion. Y'all see it, right? See it. It cleans your face. Yeah, so it's this right here, and the link will be down below. If you aren't YouTube, it will be on my TikTok. The link will be under my video on my TikTok. My TikTok is the same name as my YouTube, guys. Get yours today. This one does the same thing. So I got both of these. So make sure you guys, this is the end of the video, guys. Make sure you smash that like, that subscribe, turn your notification bell on, so you know when I post a new video, you'll get an alert and stuff. And leave a comment down below telling what y'all think of this video, man. I'm probably the next few days, I'm just about to be posting. I just been missing a lot of days because I've been trying to do other stuff. I got another video on my camera that I haven't posted from Florida, so I'll probably try to post that tomorrow. So just be ready for the more content coming soon, guys. So can we get at least 20 likes on this video, please? From my supporters, I appreciate you guys. Appreciate all the new subs. You know what I'm saying? I continue my journey on this ASMR, so I appreciate y'all so much for watching my videos. So I'll see you guys later tonight on stream. So meet me there. Peace.